my foodies! Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to make lasagna. To start assembling the dish, we will need a tomato meat sauce. I have the recipe saved in my short clips. Halfway cooked lasagna sheets, colorful chopped bell peppers, pitted and sliced olives, and mozzarella cheese. Cover the bottom of the pan with some sauce to prevent from sticking. Layer the pasta sheets, then the meat sauce. Bell peppers, olives, shredded cheese, and repeat the process until you're done with all your ingredients. The very top layer cover with tomato meat sauce, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Cover and bake for 40 minutes on 400 degrees, and after that, broil on high for 2 minutes or until golden brown. Look at those layers, full of different fresh veggies, cheese, and meat sauce. We only need to garnish it with fresh basil and green onions. Enjoy! And please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment to my channel. I love you, my foodies. Bye bye.